Welcome to Rome Tips. If you enjoy this video, please consider subscribing to the channel and giving it a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are available in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the resource. We're exploring OpenCorporates today, found at https://opencorporates.com. This is a truly invaluable website providing access to a massive, freely available database of company information. Think of it as a global directory of businesses, offering details that can be incredibly useful for research, due diligence, or simply satisfying your curiosity about a particular company. Navigating the site is straightforward. The search bar is prominently displayed, allowing you to easily look up companies by name. You can refine your searches by jurisdiction, helping you narrow down results when searching for common company names. The data returned typically includes the official company name, registration number, address, and often other relevant information depending on the jurisdiction and data availability. OpenCorporates emphasizes transparency and open data. They champion the idea that company information should be publicly accessible, promoting accountability and facilitating informed decision-making. This commitment to free access is a key differentiator, setting them apart from other company information providers that often charge hefty fees for similar data. The sheer scale of the database is impressive, covering companies from numerous countries worldwide. While the level of detail may vary between jurisdictions, the overall coverage is extensive, making OpenCorporates a powerful tool for anyone needing to quickly access company information. It's worth noting that the data provided is primarily sourced from official company registers, enhancing its reliability. While generally reliable, it's important to remember that, like any database, there's always a possibility of inaccuracies or outdated information. Always consider cross-referencing information with other sources when conducting critical research. However, for quick overviews or preliminary investigations, OpenCorporates proves to be a valuable starting point. They also offer APIs and other tools for developers wanting to integrate this rich dataset into their own applications. This further extends its usefulness and makes it a versatile resource for both individual users and developers. I highly recommend checking out OpenCorporates. It's a fantastic resource for accessing readily available company information.